São Paulo, has more than 11 million people living there. São Paulo's train network is considered the best rail transport of America. The first train of São Paulo is called Blue Line. It was started on September 1974. The train network is well planned, but with overcrowding and insufficient trains, this can cause peak hour problems for commuters. It had been continual grow up. Year after year, the existing lines were extended and other ones were created. Australia's first rail system were built when the country consisted of sparsely settled in 19th century. Nowadays, Sydney, the largest city of Australia, has an extensive network of passengers, with 4.5 million people and 1,687 km². Passenger service is operated in Sydney by Railcorp under the SydRail brand. Trains operated for 20 hours a day and over 900,000 weekday passenger journeys are made on 306 stations. The passenger network is a hybrid metro suburban railway with a central underground car running at metro-style frequencies, which branches out into a suburban commuter-type network. The both cities has a good system of transport by train, but São Paulo's size is about 10% shorter than Sydney, and it has around 150% more people. Because of this, usually in the rush hours, the trains are crowded in São Paulo. Sydney has an overcrowding problem in the rush hours too, but it could be not compared with São Paulo.